I see it, Larry.
Oh, that's cute. All right.
Yay, Tyler!
Thank you. Keep looking. Is there more? Look over there.
Yay! Oh boy! Oh, good
Are there
job!
any more, Tyler?
Yay! Good job! Good job!
Yeah, I got them from the house already. Here, Tyler. Look, there's more over there.
Like I like to pick up a little, like, hold on to it.
All right, look that way. Right here.
Tyler, look up here.
Tyler. Oh, that was gonna fall. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Oh boy, look in the pot, Tyler.
Are there more over here,
Over,
Tyler?
look, Tyler, look over here. Look in the pot.
Aaron.
Yeah, there's one.
Yay! Is there another one over there?
Yay! Do you see another one?
Oh, they're falling from the sky.
Oh boy, this is the best Easter egg hunt ever.
Delete that one.
Don't delete anything, just take.
Very good going.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Thank you. That one's hard to find. Oh, that's a good one, Tyler. What's down there? Thank you. Here, I'll fix that one. Look that way. See the purple one? Yeah. There's more. There's more.
Yes.
There you go. I fixed it. Are they inside the house?
Let me see some of the ones that are scattered around before you distribute them, Susan. Like the one on the fence. He's still working for him. Yeah.
Are they inside the house? Are there any in the house?
Go back and look in the house.
In the house, Tyler. You didn't see any in there? Are there any in there?
Look on the chair.
Is it on the chair? There it is. Oh, good job, Tyler. Here.
In the sink?
Okay, I'll fix it. Is there one? Is there more in there?
Is there more?
Is there another one?
Is there another one, Tyler? Oh, well.
I saw these. Boy, this is the best house for Easter egg
Here,
hunts.
here.
All right, good job.
All right, look over there. Is there one over there? Go that way. That way. I see a blue one somewhere over there.
Is there any over here, Tyler? Take the fence. You need more? There's one in the pot, too.
Uh-oh. He might need a drink. He's having to run around so much.
Did he spot it? I think so.
Oh, yeah.
Yay, Tyler!
Yay, Tyler. Good job, Tyler.
Look, is there one over by the fence? Do you see it? Wait, it's so easy to hide Easter eggs in this room when you're old. It's so harder as you get older.
Yeah.
Alright, good job.
My aunt was like, remember where you hit him? I was like,
Michael, this is recording, right?
Recharge? juice?
Alright,
Thirsty
I
work.
think we've done lots of, I think we've done enough.
That was so
I see
many.
one, Tyler.
It's thirsty
I
work.
see one.
There's still another one.
I don't think you can see it from his height.
Tyler,
Unless he
I
gets right
see
up on it.
one.
Where? Where is it?
Alright, go
I
towards
see
Grandpa.
one.
Go see Grandpa.
I see
I think it's near Grandpa.
You see anything near Grandpa?
I
Something
see
pink?
one.
Look around, Tyler.
I see one.
Look in the pot.
Hey,
Good, good job.
There.
Oh.
The bubble gun is broken.